Welcome to my channel Rabbani 110Z. I will shining your way.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. This is a flow meter, and this analog type flow meter. So this is made from Italy, and you can install on water line. Many sizes available in the market. So this is flange type. You should be installed with gasket, okay, and easy to repair, easy to calibration, okay. You can install horizontally, you can install vertically, and if you need perfection on your water flow, okay, you can install this one, because this is a make assembly like this. If minor to minor yani flow passing this wall, you can get information, okay. This is quality of this wall. So other thing, okay, this wall you can don't use to other yani liquid, not diesel, okay, not gas, and not any other. This is only for water, okay. So this is information. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.